What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Rarible, which has gone through an insane amount of percentage increase. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick here, and yes, it has pumped up near about 90% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $3.73. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, what is next for the crypto, is now the time to buy it, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit, or is there simply time to be holding on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. How high and how low can the crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart with the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Rarible, which is here in purple, at $1.89. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here on green at $3.71, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are looking at the daily chart. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that we are looking a little bit skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I am expecting the crypto to have taken a little bit of a step back in value, dropping down to around $3.30, $3.40, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to have taken a dip down to. Reason being is it has gone for an insane percentage increase in the last 24 hours, and it is slightly overvalued and is likely to go for a price correction early hours of tomorrow midday. Dropping down in value is what my expectations are at the moment. So do expect more red candles over the coming hours, so the crypto should essentially drop back down. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days we are looking quite bullish here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. However, it is looking way too steep for it to be realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is the major increase that's taken place. However, over the next 7 to 8 days guys, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Rarible to have taken a step back down once again, dropping down below $3, potentially around $3.70, $3.80 is where I'm expecting Rarible to be trading at by the end of next week. However guys, do expect green days in between, but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Rarible over the next week or so. Exact same reason as the previous chart. It is slightly overvalued and more than likely going to go for a price correction over the coming week, so dropping down in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again still looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Exact same reason as the previous chart. This is not realistic guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late April, early May. I'm once again expecting Rarible to have dropped back down to around $2.30, $2.40 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So after dropping down below $2 by late March, they should slowly start to gain value up to around $2.40 by mid-May and early May, mid-April and early May as well. So yes, it is going to be an overall drop in value from where it is at the moment. That's potentially how cryptocurrency works, guys. You see a major pump, doesn't mean it's going to pump and stay at that price range. It is more than likely going to go for a price correction like majority of the cryptocurrencies. But again, there's a lot more analysis that has to go into it to do some prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. So again, let's bring out the Fibonacci scale, which seems to have disappeared. So I'm just going to quickly draw it again. So as you guys can see, we have essentially broken out from the red zone into the green zone without any resistance, and it was quite a major pump as well. So what I'm expecting is for the crypto to be dropping back down into the red zone over the coming 12 to 14 hours, and we can already see it did hit about $4.50 earlier on this afternoon, but has slowly started to hit red candles and likely to hit more red candles, dropping back down into the red zone. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,600% up in the last 24 hours, making it $37 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is, of course, Rarible is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it, especially that's one of the top gainers. And more than that, it has gained 90% in value over the last day, over the week 92%, and over the month a massive 155%, guys. So it is getting a lot of attention right now, and which in return is also helping the value of Rarible pump up even higher. So can this crypto essentially hit $10 in 2024? Personally, I believe $10 is quite a push for the crypto. Reason being is, yes, it's pumped up quite a bit. It doesn't mean it's going to keep pumping in that direction. So $10 I'm not expecting this year. However, potentially over the next 12 to 18 months, it may be able to hit the $10 mark is what my expectations are at the moment. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.